Discover important and fascinating facts about water at a water education showcase entitled H2O Did You Know? The showcase, organised by Elkan BioPure, is currently being held at the Elkan Convention Centre in Old Klang Road, Kuala Lumpur until 16th August.
The first of its kind water show in Malaysia is open to public from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. from Monday to Friday and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. Entrance is free. Visitors will get to discover interesting facts about water, go through sensory experiences of extreme water conditions, check out ocean creatures and rediscover the importance of water to life. There will also be health talks, free health screening, fun activities and a children's art competition. Visitors can also see displays by the World Wildlife Foundation, WWF and National Kidney Foundation. Water specialist Alvin Teng said the showcase aims to create awareness of the importance of water and educate the public on how they can play a role in preserving water.
Now, this educational fair is basically to give an opportunity for public to understand more in depth about the water, especially the knowledge behind the water, and of course. The main target audience is the public and also the students, and for this, when they come to visit this expo, they can actually know more about the water.
The showcase is also a great fun learning experience for students, he said.
Okay, actually we are very welcome the students from all schools, including primary, secondary, or even the high school. Okay, so. If they come with group with more than 40%, if they can contact us, okay, and then we can arrange some very special program just like what we arranged today, so that the children or the student can really benefit from this expo.
Visitors can also participate in competitions and quizzes held throughout the showcase. Prizes totaling up to 50,000 ringgit are up for grabs.
We have the contest for the children to participate, and this contest, the title of the contest is how we love the earth and also save the water. So they can submit, all the students, they can submit either their drawing or whatever the things they actually created, and then submit to us before end of this month, it's 30th of June. Then we have a lot of these prizes waiting for them.
EduWeb TV met a group of 80 students from SK Jalan Semeni to Kajang Selangor who visited the showcase.
This program is very interesting. I like this program. I can learn so many interesting things from this program.
How the exhibition?
I get to learn so many things from this exhibition.
I can see how do they process the water from underground. How do they take the water by the underground ocean? It's my experience in this place was quite interesting. The place was a place which I never seen before. It looks very interesting.
Saya dapat belajar cara-cara nak menjimatkan air dan banyak eksperimen yang saya tahu daripada sini. Jadi ilmu pengetahuan saya bertambah melalui lawatan ini, dan lawatan ini saya akan gunakan di sekolah dan tunjuk ajarlah.
Once again, I am Vivian Paul. Thanks for watching and goodbye.